Okay, everybody, so the first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to crop an image. So the fastest, easiest way to open up a photo into Photoshop is to go into your My Photos folder, find the image that you want to edit, and you're going to drag it down here into your menu bar, your Open Photoshop, and drop it, and then it will automatically open it up in Photoshop for you. So that's step one. Now, to crop an image, you are going to go up to your tools over on the left-hand side. And if you see this image that looks kind of like a square, and it's your crop tool, you're going to go ahead and click on that. And you'll notice that along the outsides of your photos, you have these little brackets. And it shows you that your image is ready to be cropped. Now, up here in the top left-hand corner, you'll notice this drop-down menu that says, I have it selected to original ratio. That is what you want to have yours set to, because you will notice as you drag the corners, it keeps the same aspect ratio of your photograph, meaning it's not dragging from just the top or just the side. Your photo is the same dimensions, it's the same aspect ratio, and which is what you always want for your photos. Otherwise, you're going to end up, let me show you what would happen if you don't have that clicked. So let's say you have just ratio set. Okay, so notice if you were to make this really funky ratio, right? Like turn your, or aspect ratio, like turn your photo into a square. That doesn't work. We want to keep the same aspect ratio, which is why we have original ratio selected. So I'm going to go ahead and drag those out back out so that my photo is about the same size as it was. Now you will notice that I had a funky little corner up here, like of the sky, and so that's what I'm wanting to crop out. You usually want to crop your photos so that they're even around your subject, essentially that you're getting rid of things that you just don't need in your photo, and that you are having your subject fill the frame more than anything. So I didn't like this bottom right corner. I didn't like the top left corner. I wanted to get rid of all of that and have my focus be on just the subject. So once I'm happy with what my crop looks like, I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. And my photo is now cropped. You'll notice how much better that looks. So that's step number one. And then you can go ahead and move on to video number two after you finish cropping your image.